stop motion. When I shoot, I'ma drill my eyes open. When I'm tired of fucking, I side stroke it. When I'm tired of fucking, I side stroke it.
On shit, turn it up and I guess. Came out the gutter, ain't never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a begging. Turning it up, got a.
Well, now guys, I'm about to vacuum the car out. I got my quarters. The vacuum machine is right here. And we got my new baby right here. So it's not that dirty, it's just a few things here and there, like a little leaf. I'm gonna show you guys before and after, so that's why I'm showing you the dirtiness. And then when I finish, it ain't too bad. I don't had the car for about a month, like I said. And you know, just a few like leaves and debris that comes with, you know, getting in and out the car. Alright, let's get this thing started. What's up, KB Squad? Back with another video. Today I'm gonna be washing my new car. Ooh, I vacuumed it out already, and now I'm gonna wash it because I've had it a little over a month now. So it's time for a wash, and you know, get some of this crevice out from the last owner. It's a new used car, guys, so it's new to me, old or somebody else, but it's my new car, and I love it. So I gotta clean it out. Bring you guys with me on my washing my new car. All right, like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Appreciate you. Ready? Go. All right, KB Squad, this is what I got for my car wash. I got this here from Walmart. The big boy was about $6, but you might as well invest in a big car wash so you can already have something. And I picked that up from the local gas station. It was $1.50 for the Armor All when I get done on the inside. And then of course got the window cleaner here, my towelette. You get that at the Dollar Tree, you know. And I got my brushes here, do my tires, and then trusty bucket, and then I got the paper towels for my windows. Right, y'all ready to wash? Let's do it. Alright guys, we're here at my apartment complex car wash. They got 2 bays, but this hose is not working. And yeah, I found out after I had my car over there, but I relocated over here and the hose over here is working, so I already got my bucket filled up. I'm gonna get started, alright? On to that one. Alright guys, so I guess you guessed it by now. I got a Buick Encore. And now I'm going to try to clean the inside out. See, right here, this little dirt. And I had already got a steering cover, so it's on there now. Anybody who dealt with putting on them steering wheel covers, you know how hard it is to get on. So I didn't clean it before I put it on there, but now I'm gonna try to get in between these little crevices, and then I'm gonna clean the dashboard off because it's kind of dusty with the armor off, and you know, just liven it up. All right, guys, let's get it. Look, guys, I want to show you how dirty this rag is. I clean inside here, all through the steering wheel, even on the commands. So it's a little thirsty. I'll re-wipe it, but. And then I wiped around here, and all this dirt came off. This is where we shift gears, you know, to put the car into gear. And this how dirty it was, guys. Nasty. So be sure to clean your used cars. I mean, I don't think they clean them as good as they can, obviously. And I clean back here, and then I wipe, and then I'm gonna wipe a little more up in this area. Look, dirty, nasty. All right, stay tuned. We're almost done. All right, guys. I know y'all probably gonna laugh, but I'm scrubbing this too, because this is where I put my arm at. So I'm just using this little back part right here. Scrub it. And then eventually I'm gonna get a cover for it, because as you can see, it's got that wear and tear on it. All right, let's take our rag and let's see how dirty it is. Oh, actually not that dirty. Not as dirty as I thought it would be. Oh, wait, let me take that back. It is a little dirty, look. When I came around on the bottom part. Yeah, dirty, guys. Make sure you clean your cars out. Don't just wash the outside, get the inside too. So I cleaned up over here. I still got to get the top of that. Okay. Alright, there it is. 2016 Buick Encore, guys. My new used car. I got it with 80,000 miles on it, so my baby now.